Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Adina Noor. I am from class 9. I am here just because of my teacher. Thank you teacher that you give me opportunity to describe my topic. So let's start our topic. Our topic is coordinate covalent bond. Let me say you that what is the main difference between covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. Consider family number 1, Mr. Noor and his queen. The salary of Mr. Noor is 10,000 and his queen is also 10,000. Both share their salary and the net amount of the family become 20,000. Now consider atom P and atom Q. Atom P donate 1 electron and atom Q also donate 1 electron. For the formation of covalent bond. In covalent bond, the electrons are equally shared by the both atoms. But remember that the pair of electrons is donated to both atoms. Now consider family number 2, Mr. Jamshed and his queen. The salary of Mr. Jamshed is 20,000 and his queen remain at home and does not go for any job. So the net amount of the family become 20,000. Now consider atom X and atom Y. Atom X donate 2 electrons but atom Y do not donate an electron. So coordinate covalent bond is formed. In coordinate covalent bond, the bond pair of electron is shared by the only one bonded atom. But in covalent bond, the electron is shared by the both atoms. This is the main difference between covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. Now, what is coordinate covalent bond? We need lone pair and empty spaces in the valence shell for the formation of coordinate covalent bond. For example, consider oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. Oxygen has only 6 electrons in the valence shell. It needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet rule. On the other hand, hydrogen has only 1 electron in the valence shell. It needs 1 more electron to satisfy its duplet rule. Now, oxygen and hydrogen will share the electron and form a covalent bond. This pair of electron is called bond pair, but this pair of electron is called lone pair because they do not take part in bonding. Now, consider another hydrogen ion. The positive charge on hydrogen indicates that it loses their electron. It means that its valence shell is completely empty. It can easily occupy 2 electrons. Here, when there is a lone pair in the water and there is empty space in the valence shell of hydrogen. Now, coordinate covalent bond is formed between them. And in the result of it, we can add hydronium ion. Pair of electron between hydrogen and oxygen is called covalent bond, but this pair of electron is between oxygen and hydrogen is coordinate covalent bond because in this the pair of electron is donated by only one bonded atom, and result of this we get an hydronium ion. The arrow shows that there is a formation of coordinate covalent bond. The tail of the arrow is toward donor and the head of the arrow is toward acceptor. Now a question arises in my mind that what is donor and what is acceptor? The atom which donate electron is called donor and the atom which accept electron is called acceptor. Now, I can sum up my topic with the definition of covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. The covalent bond is a bond that is formed between 2 atoms when the electron is shared by the both atoms. But in coordinate covalent bond, the bond pair of electrons is shared by the only one bonded atom. Thank you and have a nice day.